All right, so today I'm going to walk you guys through how to summarize YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, a lot of times, not all the time, but a lot of times, if you just grab the link to a video, here's just a random YouTube video that's a little bit longer, and you copy that link and drop it into ChatGPT, this is what happens. It's going to tell you, hey, no, actually, I can't directly access that video. And it's going to give you some other ways to access and get some notes on it. But the weird thing is ChatGPT can get the transcript. And how you're going to do that is actually, instead of giving it the link, you're going to give it all the other information. So what I'm going to type in is summarize the video. And I'm going to copy the title by, and then I'm going to copy their title or their channel name, drop that in and enter. And there we go. So it's going to give me a summary of this video based off of the transcript that it's finding by searching rather than using the link to locate the video. This one actually gave me a pretty good summary, but if it didn't and you wanted more, you could always ask it to give me the top insights from the video and how they apply to, and then you can just say whatever reason you're watching that video, how it applies to that. So let's say I'm a real estate agent. I would just type in how they apply to real estate agents, and it's going to give me the best insights from the video and then apply it to a real estate agent viewpoint, which I think is dope. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do here to summarize and then get actionable information that you can take and use in your career or hobby or whatever it is that you are doing. So just a quick video here, guys. Hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you next time. Bye.